Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life. Warmly welcome to my channel. Dear friends, today in this video we are diving into the captivating world of nail art to bring you the latest and most stylish nail paint designs for all you fabulous ladies out there. So dear viewers, whether you are a nail art newbie or a seasoned pro, we have got something special just for you. So in this nail tastic episode and videos of you can see very stylish and very mesmerizing images about nail art designs. So dear viewers, enjoy with me in this journey of the nail inspiration. So dear viewers, if you are new at my channel, then subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends and family members. So dear viewers, today in this video you can see from classic timeless designs to cutting edge avant-garde creations, we have created a collection of sensational nail art designs ideas that are all the range in 2023 and 2024. Explore the magic of the holographic nail that shimmer like the unicorn dream, or embrace the elegance of the minimalist nail designs that speaks the volumes in simplicity. So dear viewers, I will show you how to achieve this look step by step by my video images. So I suggest you to watch my video till end because you can see very trendy and eye-catching ideas about the nail paint and nail art designs. So whether you are getting ready for a special occasions or just want to elevate your everyday style, join us on this nail art journey. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest nail inspiration. So get ready to flaunt your trendy Instagram worthy nails with confidence. Let's dive in. So keep watching, stay blessed.